New Horizon Pro Wrestling. I am the Warship. You may recognize me as the proud heavyweight champion. You also may recognize me as the man who cracked Kabel in the face with a steel chair, not once, but twice. Now, I've spoken to NHPW management, and they have told me sadly that Kabel is not cleared to compete at Global Conflict. That ain't good enough for me. I already have some gold. I want some more. I want the Hi-Fi Championship. NHPW, make the match. I want the belt. I will be a double champion. Global Conflict will be left a battered war zone. New Horizons, prepare for war.